Hello and a very good morning to my dear students. Today in this lesson we will discuss about our parents, that how much important our parents are in this world. As already said in the lesson title, parents are God gifts to me. This is for all of us also. Parents are God gifts to us. Parents are the one who take care of their child from their birth to adulthood. And if any problem comes, parents always stand with their child. Now, come on, let's learn this lesson. And, dear students, by learning, you will get to know how much your parents take care of you. Your father and mother love you. You belong to them. You are precious to them. बच्चों, यहाँ शुरू की लाइन में क्या लिखा हुआ है कि माता पिता आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको जन्म दिया है और वे बहुत ही अच्छे से आपकी देखभाल करके आपको रखते हैं। आप उनके लिए एक अनमोल रत्न की तरह हो। They provide you good education. They buy good clothes for you. They give you good food. They always take care of you. Dear students, each and every parent in the world love their child and always wanted that their child should be in a good place. So for that they provide them good education, they buy them good clothes, and also they give good food to be healthy. Okay, and parents always take care of their child. When you are sick, they worry a lot. They keep awake at night. They take you to a doctor. They give you medicines. Your parents do all these because they love you. They worry if you don't reach home in time. बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हो आपके माता पिता आपकी बहुत देखरेख करते हैं। जब आप बीमार हो जाते हो तो वे सारी सारी रात आपके सिरहाने बैठ के आपकी देखभाल करते हैं, डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाते हैं, दवाइयाँ लेके आते हैं। और वे सब ये क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, आप एक अनमोल रत्न की तरह हो उनके लिए। तो वे सब आपके लिए इसलिए करते हैं। ओके, अगर आप स्कूल से टाइम पे घर नहीं पहुंचते हो तो भी वे बहुत चिंता करने लग जाते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा या बच्ची कहाँ है। Your father works hard to support the family. Your mother looks after the family. In some homes, mothers also go out to work. While at work, the mother thinks about you. Students, your mother and father do a lot of things for the family. Like father goes to work. Why? Because to earn money and to support the family. Then your mother looks after the house. She does all the works at home, from cooking, washing, cleaning, and all the things. Then in some houses we can also see that mothers also go to work and to earn money to support family. While she is working at their office, who? Mother. She thinks of the family and also about you. Whom? Their children. Okay? Your parents spend time with you. They play with you. They laugh at your pranks. they are such loving persons. बच्चों, सभी के माता पिता अपने काम के साथ साथ अपने बच्चों को अच्छे से टाइम भी देते हैं, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, उनके साथ खेलते हैं, कूदते हैं और हंसी ठिठोली भी करते हैं। तो बच्चों समझो, ये होते हैं हमारे प्रिय माता पिता। You learn from them to love and care for people around you. Your parents are gifts to you from God. They are God's images on earth. Students, by seeing and learning from your parents, you try to love and take care of people around you. People around you like your relatives, your other family members, your friends. So, in this way, you try to love and respect all of them. Why? Because parents teach you all these things. So, that is why parents are like gifts to you, who has given you God. Why? To teach you from your birth to adulthood what things you are doing wrong and what things you are doing right. So they are like God's images on earth. वे हमें एक भगवान के रूप में ही दिखते हैं, जो हमारा इतना ध्यान रखते हैं।